Hi, today we shall discuss about the flower. आज हम लोग फ्लावर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। Flower. Generally, what do we know? We know that a plant has two parts. Yes. One part of plant which remains under the ground, that is root system, and the part of the plant that remains above the ground, that is shoot system. So we can say that flower is a part of shoot system, or the modified shoot. The flower is modified shoot, which means to reproduce, because the main aim or main function of flower is to participate in the reproduction, that is sexual reproduction in plants. So let's discuss about the flower. It is a drawing of, you can say, a drawing of complete flower. There is a flower which is complete in itself. So there are many parts in the flower. Let's start with the lowermost part, that is the stalk of the flower, by which it is connected with the branch. That is pedicel. And as we go high above the pedicel, there is a protein part. You can say that a swollen part. So that is the thalamus. Now the whorls come. The first whorl, the lowermost whorl, that is calyx. It is denoted by letter K. And after all, this is corolla. It is denoted by C. Then this part is called anther. And this long part is called filament. And these two parts combinedly known as stamen. Yes, it is the unit, but actually it is called androecium. And it is denoted by A letter. And it is the male part of the flower. This is the symbol of male. The next part, that is stigma, then the style, and the ovary, and these three combinedly known as the female part, that is called gynoecium. And it is denoted by G, and this is the symbol for female. So these are the basic parts of a complete flower. If I talk about the only whorls of the flower, so flower consists basically four whorls. One, that is calyx. 2 corolla, 3 androecium. 4. Gynoecium. And there are separate unit for each whorls. That is for the calyx, that is sepal. For corolla, that is petal. For androecium, that is stamen. And gynoecium, that is pistil, either pistil or carpel. So there are 4 whorls, but if we want to classify all the 4 whorls, then we can classify these 4 whorls into 2 groups. These two belongs one group, that is the name of group is accessory whorl. Or helping whorl, as they help the flower to participate in the process of reproduction. And the next, the 2 whorls considered as necessary whorl. Because these are important, because these are gamete parts, because they produce gamete, as androecium is known as the male part, so it will produce male gamete, and the gynoecium is known as female part, so it will produce a female gamete. So for the sexual reproduction, gametes are required, so the gametes will be produced by these 2 whorls. So these are considered as necessary whorl. So these are the about the whorls. So there are 4 whorls. So flower is very important for those plants who can go for the sexual reproduction to produce the same kind of plants. As we know that not all the plants bear flowers, because we have already studied, or we know that there are 2 types of plants. One, they bear flowers, that is flowering plants we can say, that is angiosperm, and other, they don't bear any kind of flower, so that is gymnosperm. So if we talk about the only angiosperm, so in angiosperm plants, flower are considered as the sexual organ of those kind of plants. So it is the flower. So there are some technical terms related to the flower. What are the technical terms? Number 1, there is a unisexual flower. It means the flower having either one sex, means either they have male part, that is stamen, or pistil. The next one, that is bisexual. It means the flower having both sexes, that is both male parts and female parts, such as stamen and pistil. So these flowers are known as bisexual flowers. The third thing, that is complete flower. Complete flower means a flower having all the whorls, that is K, C, A, Z. The flower having all the whorls, that is K, C, A and G. So this kind of flower is known as complete flower. Opposite of this, there is one more kind of flower, that is incomplete flower. If in a flower other means any one words, either K, C, G, A, G, if any one of them is absent, so this kind of flower is known as incomplete flower. So this is the little bit about the flower. So I hope you would like this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Good day.